Docker, it's 2025. Do developers still need to learn it? Docker is the container technology that changed development forever. It's still used everywhere. For local development, CI/CD pipelines, testing, and microservices. Sure, there are alternatives like Podman or NerdSteel, but Docker remains the easiest entry point for developers. Most Kubernetes tutorials and setups still assume you understand Docker or something like it. Most CI/CD tools still run your pipelines inside Docker containers. Learning Docker equals learning CI. 95% of DevOps or full-stack job listings in Europe still list Docker as a requirement. Even for personal projects, Dockerizing your setup makes it easier to share, version, and deploy. Docker is still step one to understanding cloud-native and DevOps workflows. Start with Docker Compose. Run your full stack locally, Postgres, Redis, front-end, and back-end, in seconds. Use the official Docker docs, Play with Docker, or Katacoda to learn by doing. Fast. Are you still using Docker in 2025? What for? Drop it in the comments. Like and follow for more dev-friendly tech tips. No fluff.